Hello guys, welcome to this quick tip. Did you see what just happened there? Now, this is normal. That button that is below the driver's seat on this case of this car obviously is inertia button. As you may have an accident, that inertia button is there to cut off the fuel supply. Thus, when trying to crank, the car will not start, okay? Now, on the case of this Alfa 156, I actually removed. Thank you. On the case of this Alfa 156, I actually removed this plastic cover. This plastic cover is there for two reasons. First one My gimbal is... What are you doing? Stop! My gimbal is saying no, I don't want to live anymore. Well, let's try to keep this short. This cover is there for two reasons. First one, to cover that place over there, to keep it clean, okay? And second of all, is a bumper, okay? If you remove this bumper for some reason, you will actually hit your button, your inertia button, and it actually works like that. If you hit it, a sphere inside of that button will pop up and open the contacts, leaving you without fuel. Now, to reprime the button, just